Welcome. If you want to get a live fluid wallpaper on your HTC Desire 12S, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type Magic Fluids. We have to get this up. It is from the Mad Scientist. Let's open. And here's the preview how this wallpaper is going to look. So when we touch the screen, it's going to, throw the flames. But we can edit this one. So click here, tap to set as a live wallpaper. Now go to the settings. Let's accept and go right here. And for example, we can change the theme. Then just simply go back, and right now it's going to happen automatically. So click apply. And as you can see right now, we got this beautiful wallpaper on our HTC Desire 12S. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.